You try something, it just doesn't work.
Yeah.
And then that's your best coaching session, because then next time you'll do something differently. Learn how to become part of a team.
Team player.
Yeah, how to be respectful to others and to their coaches. So it's life skills. It's just through football. I live in a village. It's got an AstroTurf. I'm a qualified football coach.
What am I doing?
Let's put on a session. So I put on a session, and then that turned into Football Fun Factory. I started a business at a time where there's so many reasons not to, and that's the biggest thing about entrepreneurism as well. There's so many reasons where you just go, but I can't because. My advice would be just do it. Just do it. Just try. It's almost like something that I've identified for me, that I need to find a mentor and I need to find a coach and people to develop me. And I think that's just something that people are opening their eyes to a lot more now, that those people are really, really valuable. And when people talk about a coach or a mentor, it doesn't necessarily have to be someone you pay loads of money to be able to do that for you. Like me talking about when I first began at Cambridge United, young 19-year-old coach, what did I do? I went and watched as many coaching sessions as I could, because all the coaches there were better than I was. Ask people, because people will take it as a compliment. If someone said to me, I'd love an hour of your time once a month to talk about what you've done in the last 12 months, because I'm just about to go on that journey myself, I'd give them an hour. Yeah. Spending time with your family. So I give myself a Thursday off every single week. For me, I'm doing it for them. That's my inspiration.